Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to...
So apparently when I was away, there's a craze about okra. Guys have been taking raw okra, okra water, okra whatnot, but you don't have to suffer because I got you. You don't have to drink okra water if you don't like it, because today I'm going to give you a nice recipe in case you're just stuck with some, you know, a batch or a stock you got from the market and you don't know what to do with it. Please, this is a recipe for you. Watch it and enjoy it to the end. And thank you so much for subscribing, liking this video and sharing it with others so that we can make a healthy nation, making delightful meals from our home. My name is Rachel Faraja and I am so glad to bring this video for today to you. And I hope you enjoy it to the end. Thank you. So this is fresh okra that I got from the market, and a kg was going for about 100 shillings, which is fair, but of course we know the prices are high because of the demand. As you choose the okras, make sure that you choose the ones that are firm and have no dent at all. So I asked Google about just some fun facts about okra, and one of them is that they are also known as lady fingers, and then they are technically a fruit but eaten as a vegetable. Yeah, Google said it, not me. And then the third one, which I like, is that they lower blood cholesterol and add fiber to our bodies, which allows ease of the digestion. Yeah, so forget about all the craze that we are having around. That is a real you know, deal. And for me, I've been avoiding them because they are slimy, and the first time I ate them I was like, oh, this is not for me. But I think age is catching up, and I think I'm beginning now to having to deal with these things. They also are a very good source of good fiber, and I think calcium to some extent. Yeah, so this is all cut out, prepared. I have my okra, I have onions, I have ginger, garlic, and 4 eggs. So stay with me because this recipe is very simple, but you need to check out on the steps. So the first thing I'm going to do here, and I'm doing, is deep frying the okra. It's sort of like shallow, but it's different because the oil covers them. And the reason why I'm doing this is I am eliminating the slime, covering it up with oil, and therefore they will not be stretchy or they will not be slimy. So it's not cooking for so long, so it was just a bit, just like for the oil to coat on them, and then that helps eliminate slime. So if you don't like the slimy okra, this is a recipe for you. And of course I had to do it in 2 batches to avoid overcrowding the pan, and it would beat the whole point of what you're trying to achieve here, which is dealing with the slime. Next time we will do the slimy one. Yeah, so this is the outcome of what I wanted, and it's nice. At this point we were munching on it with one of my sons, and they were saying that it actually tastes like mind choma. And I was like, okay, not a bad idea. It can be a side dish. And that was awaiting the frying up of the onions. This is ginger I've added there, and then I've put in garlic. And why I'm using this type of a pan, and also the source of heat, which is a meko, is to allow high heat. Because if you cook it on low heat, especially the okra, it will be soggy and the slime will definitely be there. So those are just a few tips to avoid that sliminess. If it is a bother to you, I know there are those people who are eating okra because it is slimy. Please continue eating it as you like it. So here I'm putting in my 4 eggs into this very simple recipe. No a line of spices, just a few that will take this top notch from here to just another level. And now this will be a good point to add salt and black pepper, which is actually the only spice that I added into this, apart from what we had in the beginning, and that is ginger and garlic. Are those spices? No, they're just natural stuff we add. Yeah, but if we consider them spices. So subscribe, like this video, put on the notification because it's about to get down. Yes, it's about to get down. So at this point, introduce your fried okra into the egg mixture. This is yummy. It is smelling amazing. And yeah, just give it a quick stir. Remember, at this point the egg is ready, and the okras are also ready, so you're just mixing them so that they can come together and the salt and the flavors can come together, ready for serving. I think this is such a good dish, which can, yeah, it is at this point I actually added the black pepper, just a bit, yeah, less than a teaspoon, and it was able to take this meal to another level. So from here it is just mixing. If you want to add coriander, that is dania, go ahead, but for me there was no point, and I served it with ugali, some mbogas, kienyeji vegetables, and the real deal, the real OG of the day, okra in eggs curry. Thank you for watching.